Okay, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. Okay, my name is Ridwan Adrian, and today I would like to present my guidance and counseling topic entitled "In Changing Learning Motivation to Achieve Academic Success." Okay, uh, I believe most of us have experienced that at some point. Actually, the problem is not our ability, but sometimes our motivation. That is why learning motivation is very important. It helps us stay focused, overcome challenge, and achieve our academic goal. Now, let's discuss the topic together. Uh, Definition of learning motivation. First, let's understand what learning motivation means. Learning motivation is the internal and external drive that encourages individual to learn, make continue effort, and persist in achieving their education goal. There are two types of motivation. The first is intrinsic motivation. This motivation comes from within ourselves. For example, curiosity, personal interest, and the desire to success or simply enjoying learning something new. The second is extrinsic motivation. This comes from outside ourselves, such as encouragement from parent and teacher, reward, appreciation, or a positive learning environment. But intrinsic and extrinsic motivation are important because they work together to encourage students to learn consistently. Hmm. Why motivation matter and factor influencing motivation. Now let's talk about why motivation is so important. Learning motivation helps students become more enthusiastic about learning. It also improves academic achievement because motivated students are usually more responsible and willing to put in greater effort. In addition, motivation builds self-confidence, encourage discipline, and help students remain persistent even when learning becomes difficult. There are also several factors that influence learning motivation. The first, internal factor, including student interest, goals, self-confidence, physical health, and positive attitude toward learning. The second is the external factor, such as parental support, teacher encouragement, peer influence, the learning environment, and technology. This factor then either increase or decrease student motivation. Okay, now size of low learning motivation. So, how do we know if someone has low learning motivation? Nah, there are several common signs. Students may feel reluctant to study. They often procrastinate on assignment. They often procrastinate on assignment. And they find it difficult to concentrate during lesson. They rarely ask questions or participate in classroom discussion. They might give up easily when facing difficult tasks. As a result, their academic performance might decline. If we not if we notice the sign if we notice the sign, we should not immediately judge the student. Instead, we should understand the reason behind their behavior and provide appro- um, appropriate support through guidance and counseling service. Strategy to improve learning motivation. The good news is that learning motivation can be improved. There are several simple strategies. First, students should set clear and realistic learning goal. Second, they should create a regular study schedule to build good learning habits. And third, they can reward themselves after achieving their study target. It is also important to study in a comfortable and distraction-free environment. Students should limit exercise, use of gadget and social media while studying. Studying with friends can also increase motivation because they can support and encourage each other. Finally, students should always think positively, believe in their own ability, and seek help from teacher or parent whenever they face learning difficult. Small change in daily habits can make a significant difference over time. Okay, now for this guidance and counseling session, I prepared a simple reflection activity called My Learning Spirit, My Future. Student will answer and 4 questions. The first question is, what is my dream or future career? Okay. What is my dream or future career?
I want.
Okay. Yes, Melinda.
I want to. My dream
Yes,
is to become a teacher
good.
because I want to educate young people, make a positive impact on society.
Okay, second nih. Why do I want to achieve it?
I want to achieve this dream because I enjoy helping other learn, and I want to make my parents proud.
Okay. What makes me lose motivation to study?
I often lost motivation because I spend too much time on social media, procrastinate on my assignment, and sometimes feel tired after school.
Okay, and finally, what action will I start today to become more motivated?
Starting today, I will create a study schedule
Good.
for study for 1 hour every evening. Reduce my screen time and complete my assignments on time.
Okay, thank you very much. Melinda, thank you. This activity helps students reflect on their goal, identify obstacles, and develop practical solutions to improve their learning motivation. And now, finally, I'd like to conclude my presentation. Learning motivation is one of the most important key to academic success. Students who have clear goals, maintain discipline, and continuously improve themselves are more likely to achieve their full potential. As future guidance and counseling teacher, our our role is not only to help students solve problems but also to encourage, guide, and motivate them so they can become confident, responsible, and lifelong learner. I would like to end with this quote. Academic success is not determined solely by intelligence, but also by the willingness to keep learning. Strong motivation help us overcome challenge and achieve our dream. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, have a great day.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.